Mike from HiFi Collective here. We've just received the new version of this, which is the TU-8185. It's just a 2-watt side amp, valve amp, and this has now been replaced by this. So we haven't got any of these left anyway. The main difference is this one is black, and there has been improvements in the circuit, but we're going to do an unboxing on this to show you what's inside. So let's pop that there. Let's get a knife. So Elekit have this kind of philosophy where they'll bring a kit out and it'll probably last a year and a bit, and then they'll come out with a new kit, which I think is quite a good way of doing it. Otherwise you have a company that's just got hundreds of kits and you think, well, I don't know which one to get. So let's open them up. This looks like a kind of plastic printed scenario. It looks like it's these covers. Let's show you these things here. You have to put them together. That's what that looks like. You've got the instructions here. Just a quick chat about the instructions on any kits. Really brilliant. So good. So it's incredibly pictorial. So we would send you a PDF of this anyway, but you'll get a paper version inside. So any orientation issues, it's clearly marked. I mean, say, for example, there's the electrolytics. You have to get your negative and positive the right way around. Yeah, never had any issues with how these kits are put together, and I built a fair few. Probably won't build this one because it's kind of similar to this one, and we have done a video of how to build that one. So there's the instructions, PCBs, nice and clear, boom, and then stickers. Not a big fan of stickers, I'd rather have something screen printed, but it adds to cost and all sorts. But you don't even need to put any stickers on if you don't want to. And then you've got all the bits and bobs. So you do need to solder this up, obviously. PCB is unpopulated. So here you have all your bags full of all the electronic components. You've got speaker posts there, valve bases, they look to be built in. Yep, they are. And then all the gubbins that go on the board. What's this? I bet this is the valve. So this one comes with valves. That's the actual main difference between the two kits. I don't really want to open this. I'm going to do it anyway. So the older TU-8185 is supplied with a PCL86, whereas this one is an ECL85, if I can get them out of the box. All right, cool. So if memory serves, this is a Triode pentode. All right, EI, cool. Yugoslavia, that's quite an old tube. Yeah, so this is like a souped up ECL85. This is an ECL805E. Oh, cool, that's pretty good. I must have found a load of those somewhere. Great, pop that back. Then we have, these look like the output transformers. And then the kit, the actual chassis is already made up like this. I'm not going to take it apart, but looks like you just take this apart and then put it back together again. So it's quite nice when it comes already formed, because then you know how it's all put together. In here we have, I'd say, the power supply. So yeah, this is supplied by a 12 volt, how many amps? Yeah, so 12 volt, 4.17 amp, 50 watt power supply. So yeah, not a lot of juice in this. I mean, obviously 2 watts aside, you don't need a lot, but yeah, that's it. That's why it's so small. You don't have a massive power supply thing going on inside. So that's the kit. If you fancy a build, you haven't done it before, this is a great place to start. I mean, you would need something reasonably sensitive speaker-wise. 2 watts aside isn't going to give you much juice. You could possibly use it as your computer system to listen. Then use it with kind of high efficiency, single full frequency range driver. Cool, something like that. There you go. How did it go together again?
Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe, and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.